Hey everyone, today I'm posting another vlogging video. Also this AI voice has a few troubles pronouncing things, so be aware. My bike had a few crashes recently, but it still works good as new. Oh, almost forgot, today I'm going to circle the track, around the park, for 2 laps. I'm telling you, this thing starts up at one pull mostly every time, and it's really easy. Here I pushed in the clutch, because I don't have a proper clutch screw, but don't worry, my hand does not suffer second-degree burns. This is the starting line, where a lap is considered a full circle around the track. Well, we may have downgraded from lap 1 to lap 2, but why not celebrate? Holy crap, this thing just wheel spin for 3 seconds. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe.